Very many traders, they get this wrong. It took me 3 years, almost 3 years, to realize that I was dying. And what was killing me is very simple. The mathematics of expectancy, which many call the risk to reward ratio. To understand what we are talking about, let me first dive here on chart and I show you what I'm telling you. Here on our charts, we are seeing the mathematics of what? The mathematics of expectancy. Are you seeing it? So here we have the number of trades, risk to reward ratio, and the expectancy or the losing streak that you are going to face according to the risk reward ratio that you are using. Out of 100 trades, if you are risking 1 to 10, you are likely to lose 10 trades in a row. You will be having a losing streak somewhere of 10 trades in a row. These statistics are not mine. They made research and they came to the conclusion that I'm telling you. And at the end of this video, you are going to realize why you have been losing. And even me, I was losing in that way. I didn't know what was killing me. It was that simple. Because at the end of it, I'm going to show you, to give you, even you are going to see that for sure, that thing has been killing me. And when you change it, you will start winning forever. Because even me, after changing it, my life changed. I never went back. It was only that small thing that was killing me. So, if we see here, out of 100 trades, if you take 100 trades, risking 1 to 10, you are likely to lose 10 trades in a row. The losing streaks will be 10 trades in a row. If you are out of 100 trades, if you are risking 1 to 9, the losing streaks, statistically, it will be 10 trades in a row. If you are risking 100 trades, out of 100 trades, if you are risking 1 to 8, the losing streak, you are likely to face 8 trades in a row. I want you to understand. You will understand what I'm talking about. Just give it time. Because this thing is going to drain your misery, because it drained mine. So, when we continue here, out of 100 trades, if you are risking 1 to 7, you are likely also to lose 8 trades in low. The same as if you are risking 1 to 5, you are likely to lose 6 trades in a row. And if you are risking 1 to 6, you are likely also to lose 6 trades in a row. So that will be your losing streak. So same as out of 100 trades, if you are risking 1 to 4, if you are risking 1 to 4, you are likely to lose 5 trades in a row. If you are losing out of 100 trades, out of 100 trades, if you are risking 1 to 3, you are likely to lose 5 trades in a row. Out of 100 trades, if you are risking 1 to 1, I want you to understand very well. So you are likely to lose 4 trades in a row. 1 to 2, even 1 to 1, you are likely to lose 4 trades in a row. So now we are going to understand what I've been telling you. So, as we know, we are all traders and we have been in the market. We know that all the mistakes traders make are results of losses. Even me, I used to follow my rules when I was winning, following my rules, patiently waiting for my trades. But after losing like 2 to 3 trades in a row, I would mess up everything. I wish you understand, you guys who have been in the market. And I'm also saving you who have just entered the market. Because every time I used to lose 3, 4 trades, I used to mess up, increase the outside fighting to make money back, and I used to lose a lot. So until I changed my risk to reward ratio from 1 to 5, 1 to 6 to 1 to 1 to 1. When you are risking 1 to 1, you are likely to win more trades, and you are not likely to face the longer losing streaks like someone who's risking 1 to 10. So, if we know that all mistakes traders that are making are results of losses, so to stop or to limit those mistakes that traders are going to make, you are supposed to change your risk to reward ratio. So after changing risk to reward ratio from 1 to 10 to 1 to 1, because me, I wanted to win it all. When I take a trade and I see the market is going, I feel like crying. I say, oh my God, I've raised money on the table. But in this market, this all that money, it's not yours. You are supposed to take your portion, plan for what you are going to win, and win that. Put your stop loss, put your take profit, wait for the market to unfold. To understand what I'm telling you, let us first dive into the charts and you see for sure what I'm talking about. Practically, because this year we are tired of words, so as son of Sam. You keep saying a lot of words, no, so as. So now we are going to backtest, and like the way you are seeing here, this is our area of what? This is our area of benefit. The trend, we are in downtrend. That means we are going to be looking for sales. Don't ask me now, we didn't check. No, I told you, I made a video explaining everything. So now our liquidity is going to be where? Our liquidity is going to be here on these ones. On this candle. Remember when we are marking, we mark on the bodies. So now we want the candle that will come back here and pick liquidity in these areas. So now our liquidity is going to be where? Here. Our liquidity is going to be here. So we want the candle that will come and pick liquidity where? There. Are you understanding it? So let's pray and we see what we are talking about. Now we have got the smart candle that has picked liquidity here. So now it is time to do what I always tell you guys. When I see this smart, I just tell my sweetheart, go and put water for Carol. It's time to eat. But today we want to see the risk to reward ratio. Me here I'm going to risk 1-to-1, and Mr. Burton Marik is going to risk 1-to-2. So I want to see who is going to win, because me, I was dying. I used to mess up every time I risk 1-to-1, 1-to-4, 1-to-5. The trade could come back and hit my stop loss, and I end up losing that trade. But after changing my risk to reward ratio, so this is 1-to-1. We want to see if I'm going to win. We can even both lose, no problem. But we want to see the mathematics of expectancy practically. So let's pray and we see. So here, son of Sam of 1-to-1, I've hit my take what? Take profit. Me, I won. I've already won. My sweetheart has already put my water for Caro. I'm going to eat my Caro. Let's see Burton Marik if he's going to win 1-to-3. Because for him, it makes him feel bad every time he leave money on the table. So this is 1-to-3. Those guys, I think you are seeing it exactly here. So now let's pray and see if Mr. Burton is going to make money on this trade. Me, I've already banked my 1-to-1. I've risked a cow to get a cow. Mr. Burton, they have stepped him out. For him, he has risked a rabbit to get a cow. But for him, we have lost. Me, I've won a trade. But does it mean that Mr. Burton is a bad trader? No, Mr. Burton is not a bad trader. Does it mean Rukunda, son of Sam, is a good trader? No, Mr. Son of Sam is not a good trader, and Mr. Burton is not a bad trader. But psychological and mentally, now this is another smart we are going to go into this trade. Mr. Burton, we don't know even what he did after losing, because you guys, you make a lot after losing. You do a lot of crazy stuffs. Me, I'm going again to risk 1-to-1. I'm going to risk my 1-to-1 again, and I see here, because this is the Msumar, like the way you are seeing, we are in downtrend. This is the area of benefit. We have got our Msumar here. I'm going to risk 1-to-1. This Msumar picked liquidity, which is here. So we can still take this trade. It is fulfilling all our criteria of our age. So now we want to see Mr. Burton is going to risk 1-to-3. Me, I'm going to risk 1-to-1. Me, I have won one trade. Mr. Burton has won, is having one loss. But Mr. Burton is not a bad trader. But psychologically, me, I'm very happy and confident entering in this trade. Mr. Burton may be even stressed, sleeping. He doesn't know if he's going even to press another trade, because he's still feeling that pain of the first loss that he made. But me, I'm confident. I've waited for the market. One shot, one kill. Son of Sam, I have won my second trade. So let's see Mr. Burton if he's going to win his first trade. Let's pray and we see if Mr. Burton is going to win his trade. So as you are seeing, Mr. Burton is about to cry. They are fighting against him. We don't know if he's going to say, oh my God, can I take profit here? Does this market want to do things that they did last time? But if you're a professional trader, you have to be patient enough, and you see for sure if you are going to do what? To win. But for us, finally, Mr. Burton also hit his take what? They also hit the take profit of Mr. Burton. So now here comes our reason. Mr. Burton has won his first trade, but he has made money almost. We are having equal money that we have made. Me, I have won my second trade, my 2 trades in a row. Mr. Burton lost 1, won 1, but his reward ratio 1 to 3. It means he have already made the loss of his 1%. He has remained with 2% that he has made into profit. 2%. Even son of Sam is also having his 2% in profit. But psychologically, Mr. Burton, we don't know if he was going to take this trade, the second trade. So guys, what I can tell you, all the risk reward ratio, you make money with it, but the consequences are here. As we know, all the problems traders make are results of losses. So how are we going to cut those losses that we are making in our market? We are going to reduce what we call risk to reward ratio. So that the table that we are seeing there, the statistics that they made, I think I've shown you statistically in the market. So when I say 1-to-1 is good, you can still make money using 1-to-1. You can still make money using 1-to-10. You can still make money using 1-to-2, 1-to-3, 1-to-4. But just to know, the higher the risk to reward ratio, the more trades you are likely to lose. The lower the risk to reward ratio, the more trades you are likely to win. And we all know all problems traders make are results of losses. So to limit or to cut our losses, we are going to reduce the risk to reward ratio. We win more than we lose, and our life is going to be good. We are going to start winning. When I changed that, that's why you see even me here, I'm smiling and I'm laughing, guys. It's because of the risk to reward ratio. I was Rukundo, son of Sam.